Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to talk about the affidavit of support today and what exactly this form means, because I get questions about it on a daily basis. An affidavit of support, which is form I-864 and also another form called I-134, is a contract between the intending sponsor, the person signing this contract, and the U.S. government that they will not allow the beneficiary or the applicant for the visa or the green card to go on federal benefits, and they promise to support that immigrant plus their own household. When we fill out affidavits of support for our clients, we ask for 3 years federal tax returns, preferably to get transcripts of those tax returns. And if you don't have transcripts, we ask our clients to sign the tax returns. We need 3 years W-2 forms to show income from all the jobs that the sponsor has for the last 3 years. And we ask for current pay stubs, at least 2 months or 6 to 8 weeks of current pay stubs to show that the sponsor is continuing to work, is self-supporting, and able to support the beneficiary. The reason that the U.S. government came up with the affidavit of support is they didn't want people to bring their relatives into the United States or spouses and let the public, the American taxpayers, support that person. So they came up with the idea of the affidavit of support. When do I ever see the affidavit of support come up? People are always worried that their relative will go to the hospital, incur medical bills, and somehow the sponsor may get stuck with this bill for medical costs. They're also worried that the beneficiary or immigrant will go and get credit card debt that they will get stuck with. This has nothing to do with this. The affidavit of support has nothing to do with medical bills or credit card bills, but it does have everything to do with the applicant applying for public benefits. In other words, in New York City, for example, where I practice, if someone goes on welfare benefits or public assistance benefits, I have seen the New York City Human Resources Department go after the sponsor for whatever welfare they had paid out to the applicant, because the sponsor did say that the public benefits would not be available because they would be supporting that applicant. I've also seen affidavits of support used in divorce cases by spouses where the other spouse refuses to give them alimony or spousal support, and they will pull out that affidavit of support and say, look, you promised to support me when I live in the United States for at least until I receive my citizenship or the 5 years from the date of filing, and they do use it as evidence in alimony and support case. Other than that, if this is just for your relative, if this is just for a family member, if you're not planning to divorce that person in the future, you'll probably never see the affidavit of support again. Most of the times, it's just a formality to get the immigrant here and convince the U.S. government the immigrant is not going to go on public benefits. By the way, the current law says that to even get SSI, which is the federal welfare, the federal benefit that's given to people who are below poverty lines, if you don't have U.S. citizenship, you're not eligible for SSI. So that doesn't even come up with affidavits of support. In any case, if you have any questions, I will drop my email in the comments below. Feel free to email me directly with any questions. Feel free to come see us at the office for a consultation. We're located in Brooklyn. Our phone number is 718-769-6352, and our website is www.e-us-visa.com for all your immigration needs. Good day and happy immigration cases.